5 passive income streams that made me $100,000 in 1 year. I built income streams that made me over $100,000 in just 1 year, with very little ongoing effort. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact 5 passive income sources I used, from the simplest to the more advanced. These aren't theories, these are methods that actually worked for me. Let's dive in. 1. High-yield online savings accounts. Let's start with the easiest, and yes, it's truly passive. A high-yield savings account is exactly what it sounds like, a place to park your money and earn interest, but at a much better rate than traditional banks offer. Once your emergency fund or savings start growing, you may as well let that money work for you. Lightbulb pro tip: it's best used for emergency savings or short-term goals, not for investing. And yes, you need to have savings first, but once it's in, it's 100% passive. 2. Amazon Merch on Demand. This one surprised me, and it still brings in income with zero active work today. Amazon Merch lets you sell designs on t-shirts, hoodies, and other products. You upload a design, and Amazon handles everything else: printing, shipping, customer service. It's scalable, hands-off, and can tap into trending or evergreen niches. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. There are 2 main ways I use this. A niche blog that reviews tools and software I use. A YouTube channel with tutorials that naturally include affiliate links. Once the content is live, it keeps working for you 24/7. 4. YouTube ad revenue, AdSense. Yes, YouTube can be passive income, but only after you've put in the initial effort. I created videos that help people solve real problems, like how to set up a budgeting app, or comparisons between investment platforms. Once those videos ranked, they kept getting views and generating ad revenue, even months or years later. 5. Creating online courses. This one took the most effort up front, but the long-term rewards? Totally worth it. I created a course based on something I already knew: how to manage finances as a freelancer. I published it on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare, and it took off. You create it once, and it sells over and over again, often while you sleep. Lightbulb pro tip: you don't need to be a certified expert. Just be one step ahead of the person you're teaching. Focus on your real-world experience, whether it's coding, marketing, painting, or organizing a home. Final thoughts. Here's the truth: none of these streams made me rich overnight. But each one stacked on top of the others, until they added up to over $100,000 in a year. If you're serious about building passive income, don't try all 5 at once. Pick one that fits your skills and interests. Start small. Learn. Improve. Then scale. Passive income isn't magic, but it is real. And it can absolutely change your life. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more real finance strategies, and drop your questions in the comments. I always read them. See you in the next one.